What's going on, guys? It is Friday and I am here for practice at the Washington DC region Pro Solo. I've been autocrossing for 20 years, never done a Pro Solo before, so I'm here at the starting line school to learn how to launch on the tree. That makes Pro Solo quite a bit of different from your usual autocross, so I'm going to be practicing the Pro Solo launches today.
Matthew with a 684 reaction time to 2.4, 60 foot in the RS, the SCCA car. Start a 663 reaction time to 2.1, 60 foot in the C Street Miata. Starting to find the sweet spot for his starts there in that Miata, which is great to see. Super fun to see people improve. All right, Zach pushed it a little bit too hard in the orange mirror.
That's pretty good. You just anticipated it.
So we are going to change up the announce a little bit.
Did I leave before
on
the
your left
yellow?
side?
Yeah, a little bit. You anticipated it. So just
on the right we got Corey
stare it
Davis
down
in
and
a
wait for it to
Miata.
glow, and then
On the left side we have Glenn
you weren't that
also
far off.
in
It was
a
a
Miata.
425. You wanted like a 500.
They both blew the lines. One with a 689, one with a 752. Coming up next.
All right, guys, red lighted the first start, didn't get it on video. Gonna practice my second start here.
We have Greg on the left and Leonard on the right.
All right, we're staged up, 10 seconds to go.
We got Zach on the left and Matt on the right. Subaru and Mazda. Come on up to the trailer, poke your head in, and enjoy some air conditioning.
Yeah.
While we explain to you what we're going to ask you to do.
Yeah, you can just keep tweaking like between those two runs to try and get it like into the fives, but that's pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, launch looked good, like good tire spin and all that.
Perfect.
Man, I wanted one of this color so bad.
He went faster by 6 He stays at 6. All right. Okay, Melanie, 32.2. They improved by 1.1 second. That puts Melanie in 10th. Sam Versallo Jr. 43.3. He went faster by 1.2. Sam is in 8th place. Versallo is still coming in, but before that, Derek Palmer at 31.8, slowed down by a little bit, so it doesn't help. Versallo now is back 33.2, improved by 0.788. He found more time in the glove compartment. He is now in 8th. He's probably shaking his hand and kind of cussing me at the same time. Good job, Generality. She's a knife now.